You might have your iPhone turned off, Bluetooth turned off, and no internet at all. And still, the device can send a signal and its location can be detected. This feature is something that many people don't even notice. And if you don't understand how it works, you might completely misunderstand the whole thing. The feature we're talking about today is called offline finding, and it's part of Apple's Find My system. In short, the iPhone can send a very small signal even if the device is turned off. There's no internet, the battery is extremely low, so if it gets lost or stolen, you can still find it. And here comes the surprise most people don't know. Its location, settings, Apple ID. Find My. Find My iPhone. Find My Network, or Findable After Power Off, depending on your device. This feature works even if you manually turn off Bluetooth from the top. Why? Because Apple uses something called Bluetooth Low Energy, and it works inside the system itself, not like regular Bluetooth. So you don't need to keep Bluetooth turned on, and it won't connect to headphones or nearby devices. The whole thing is just a very small signal the device sends to any nearby iPhone, and through Apple's huge network, you can see your device's location. And that's what many people get shocked by. So you need to understand how this feature actually works. Is this feature useful? Yes, very useful if your device gets lost, because you can locate it even if it's turned off. Does it affect your privacy? No. Because the signal that's sent doesn't say who owns the device or any personal data. It's just an anonymous signal, meant only to help locate the device. And of course, the final decision is yours. Do you keep it on for safety, or turn it off if you feel it's not for you? In the end, tell me. After understanding how this feature works, will you keep it on or turn it off? And why? I want to see everyone's opinion. And your opinion really matters. And if you like the information, hit subscribe, because there are still other iPhone settings that no one explains with this level of clarity.